What's up guys, it's Jordan J5 Live here again, and I'm here with Fitzherbert and Arnold. Hello there, servus. So now we are at Pevensey Bay Station, which is the least used station on the East Coastway Line, and it is never used these days. However, with Dolan on the Marshall line, it is rarely used, mainly in the evening. And we know the DMU that we're going to be filming heading to Ashford International is. It is 171-812, which you can see in the distance at Pevensey and Westham. Former tool-car unit 726 with a centre carriage of 801, we have filmed this unit already today at Orr Tunnel. Why won't the alarm on this crossing start? I don't know why. It has now. Sounds like East Guildford's alarm. Indeed, except the barriers aren't half gates, they're crossing the whole road. Down go the gates. Not a continuous alarm. And the signal is going to go green like that. And that's what we saw at Pevensey and Westham in the distance. So, it's on its way now, heading for Ashford International. 171-812. When we filmed it leave a station, it was at Hampden Park further down the line. And it looks like someone's turned off the destination plate. Indeed. Maybe we can let it have a horn. You're right, but it's coming along at 70 miles an hour though, which is an impressive speed for a DMU. What we filmed at Pevensey and Westham was 171-811. Further down the line, we filmed the next in line. Come on, driver! Give us a little thing. Well, the destination plate's not on! And here she is! 171-812! What have the drivers been doing, to be honest, about the destination plates? It's ridiculous. I know, right? And it didn't give a horn either. That's so annoying. But that's all we've got for today. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and press subscribe. See you another time when we're filming DMUs. Auf Wiedersehen, peeps. Ciao.